Okay. Yeah, you're gonna be alright, bud. Got to save this guy from the driveway. After he emerged from his old shell, he was just too vulnerable to move, weren't you? That's how a lot of these poor fellas end up dying. It's just the fact that they're so weak after they leave their old shell for a while that they don't have time to gain their strength back and actually be able to survive very long. Alright, I'm going to try to find him someplace good. I hear some of your kind over here, I think. So this looks like a good place. Right? Oh, I like you too, buddy. Me and you are a lot alike, aren't we? Yeah. We're a lot alike. That's right.